Hey, I'm Caleb, the founder and CEO of Tropeaka. We're on a mission to positively impact millions of people in their health and to help you conquer the day the healthy way. I'm so passionate about this mission to help you in your health because of the health journey I've been on. See, Tropeaka started in 2016, but before that, my health was horrible. Between 2011 to 2014, I was incredibly sick. Every day I felt chronic exhaustion and pain throughout my body. And with this came a lot of emotional pain and depression. If that wasn't enough, there was no answers from my doctors as to when I'd be healthy again. But this all changed in 2014 when I discovered functional and integrative medicine. These doctors found and treated underlying gut and health issues, and they led me on a path to cut out the rubbish from my diet and replace it with healthy nutrition. And the great news is it worked. In just a few weeks, my life and health drastically turned around. I was so blown away by the impact that high quality nutrition had on my life that I wanted to share it with the world. I thought, what if I could make health foods delicious, convenient, easy to understand, and most importantly, actually work? And so in 2016, we launched Tropeaka from humble beginnings with a determination to make this a reality. And I'm proud to say our team has done it. We have tens of thousands of 5-star reviews. We're loved by leading health experts around the world, and we're only just getting started. So I'd love to invite you to come on this journey with us to conquer your day the healthy way.